Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel, Billionaires Club 101. Today's topic is battery pack, ultra slim battery pack. Now the reason why this video is very important is if you're a person who does like DoorDash or Instacart, or maybe you're a driver with Lyft or Uber or whatever it is that you're doing, even if you're just out and about, going about your day, at some point in time, your cell phone is going to need to be charged. I made the mistake of not having a battery pack doing one of the, multiple streams of income that I have doing, Instacart and things like that. The battery was running low, and I wasn't paying attention to it because I was just getting so many orders and just was getting, give my phone the benefit of doubt, saying that the battery can hold more power. Okay, so you just get a battery pack, and it'll make life a lot easier for you. I'm just going to unbox the battery pack and show you what it looks like. So this is the battery pack ultra slim. Okay, this is what it looks like. So that's the battery pack. Comes with the charger, of course. Okay. This charger is very small, so if you're doing a video in your car, you're gonna drop it or something like I just did. But anyway, so this is what the charger looks like. And this is what the battery pack looks like as well. Okay. USB port, and then your charging port is right there. Okay, so that USB port is what you're gonna actually you're gonna put your USB port into it, plug it into your phone. You see those little small dots to the left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure when you're charging it, all 4 dots are lit up. Okay. Then on the side, once your charger's charged, you'll press that button on the side right here, turn it off. And then when you turn it off, those lights will not be showing because it's in the off position. But once you turn it back on, click on the button there, you'll see all 4 are lit up and you're ready to go and charge your phone and go out through your day. Okay, thank you for tuning in. You have a great day.